Hey guys, we are on episode 32 of my lip color of the day series. I just did Spellbound in the last episode, episode 31, and now I am going to be combining this with this Spontaneous Splash Liquid Lipstick, and then we are going to be kind of turning it into an ombre lip. So let's try it out. Okay, so there you have it. See how it's kind of just darker on the outside, lighter in the middle, and that gives us the ombre effect. The deeper colors towards the outside and the lighter color in the middle. So that was Spellbound Splash Liquid Lipstick, and this one is Spontaneous. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. See you next time.